Assalamualaikum and good day to Kopi and Culture lovers. So, hari ni World Appreciation Day. Kita nak tengok macam mana our friends di DRB Highcom appreciate kelik-kelik orang-orang yang bekerja bersama mereka, dan kita nak tengok how does receiving appreciation make them feel. Okay, jom. Okay, hi. Jadi saya nak kasih this recognition card and this special cookie to someone that I feel yang ke mana-mana sahaja dia spread this positive vibes, and let's go. Cik Nazri.
Ya.
Nah,
Saya ke?
you.
Thank
Okay, saya bacakan lah. Okay, saya bacakan lah, ya. Okay, dear Isaac, I would like to recognize you for demonstrating all 6 success beliefs. You are the epitome of a ball of sunshine, bringing joy to every room you enter. By doing this, you have inspired others to also live our 6 success beliefs.
Thank you,
Yeah, you
Dato'.
go.
You too, dia pun seorang yang
Tak.
hebat. So, I dapat spirit pada dia.
For you, for me, yeah, I appreciate you.
Leadership skill for the past 10 months. I'm here. Thank you for sharing my doubt and
Clearing my doubts.
this one.
And
Teaching me a lot of things. You are appreciated. Made my journey in DRB Highcom smooth. My 10 months at DRB Highcom have been truly rewarding and valuable. And valuable experience. You are the role model. Thank you so much.
Okay, hi Jana.
Hi.
And Reshma. Yes. Okay. So first question is, to whom did you give the cards to, and why?
So today I gave my special card to these 2 special ladies from GIT. So I gave to Anis one and gave to Reshma because I just joined this company since June, and these 2 people make me feel like I'm belong here. Yeah. So never a day that I feel alone when I come to the office. So because of that, yeah, like, you know, girl power.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
Alright. Next question. Did you receive any cards today?
Yep. So I received 2 cards.
Yeah.
1 card. So we go in a cycle. I gave Anis to and Reshma, and then we exchange our cards. Yeah.
Yep. Okay. So how did that make you feel?
I feel honored because, I mean, it was actually my idea to do this exchange, but to be honest, but yeah, it did make me feel slightly lift up for today. But yeah, and
Okay, how about you, Anis and Reshma?
Okay, so I'm also the same thing lah, honored lah, sebab they write very sweet notes for me, and I feel very appreciated lah inside this team. Okay, Reshma, how do you think?
Yeah, most honestly, I feel appreciated by Jana and Anis. So yeah, that's all.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, for me, of course, bila receive this card, sangat terharulah, gembira, and rasa berbunga-bunga. Sebab nampaknya ada juga orang hargai kan kita punya kerja lah. Okay, first of all, memang nak ucap thank you to Mr. Key for recognizing me. But of course, this is not the one man punya work lah. Of course, teamwork lah. Also wants to thank team lah. You think also Hanim and other members lah, Mr. Key, which memang banyak bagi support lah to complete the task. Yeah, again, thank you.
For me, I think I want to thanks to Mr. Key. I think for the card, I think it's a big recognition and an acknowledgement of my efforts. I think it's when I received it was like sangat terharu lah. Sama macam, oh, I got this card. No, I want to thank the team together with my immediate superior and together with Mr. Yip and Puan Aminah for the opportunity, for everything, in supporting the role that I'm doing lah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Alright, saya rasa amat terharu dengan kad yang dibagi. Ini menunjukkan saya punya usaha ni dihargai oleh rakan-rakan seperjuangan.
Okay. How do I feel? I received one recognition card from actually Katul. She says I motivated her with my creative services and working with her in helping her with creative. How do I feel? I feel appreciated. Although kita membuatkan benda tu untuk tolong secara ikhlas, tapi dapat benda jadi, I feel appreciated. So, thank you, Katul.
Rasa-rasa sangat dihargai dan berbaloi dan membuat kasih untuk lebih terus berusaha untuk memberikan good service kepada semua orang. Especially culture. Alright, thank you.
Okay, saya punya feelings happy lah kalau staff-staff pun dapat laptop baru dan senang nak buat kerja diorang. That's why saya cuba buat secepat yang mungkin lah apa yang boleh, yang termampu. Okay.
First of all, I feel a bit shocked because this is my first ever appreciation card received from my subordinate. Yeah, so I hope I can share my experience to those who are having a journey with us so that we can contribute more to the division as well.
Saya rasa dihargai lah apa kerja-kerja yang saya laksanakan itu dihargai oleh team members ataupun rakan sekerja saya lah.
Okay everyone, now kita dah tengok our friends yang dah appreciate their colleagues, their bosses, their superiors, and as you can see, even though appreciation ni benda yang kita fikir biasa, tapi tidak sebenarnya. Jadi marilah kita teruskan usaha untuk memberi penghargaan kepada sesiapa sahaja, tak kira colleague ke, superior ke, bos ke, subordinates ke, dan dia juga tidaklah hanya untuk kita punya rakan sekerja, tetapi penghargaan ni kita juga kenalah berikan kepada orang-orang di luar sana seperti keluarga kita, rakan-rakan kita. Mereka semuanya berhak untuk dapat penghargaan daripada kita. Jom kita teruskan.
Katul, appreciation for you.
Katul.
Saya pun appreciate Katul.
Oh, thank you. Thank you
Katul.
Thank you so much, Kisha. Thank you. Oh, thank you semua.